I currently drive a BMW M4 with a competition package. I was actually searching for a BMW for over 6 months, and I was actually in the Santa Monica area. I essentially test drove the car over there, and I was able to get better pricing here and picked up the last one in the country that was like mine and was very happy with the pricing as well. What made me purchase my BMW from Bakersfield was the quality of the customer service. Starting from as soon as I opened the door, I was greeted with a warm smile and was able to proceed and speak directly to the manager, and they went extended lengths to bring the car that I wanted from out of the city. It's more than just trying to save $5 or $10 on a lease payment, but the quality of the people you have around you, you can't really put a price on that.